Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to have question number 7 from chapter number 13, Workbook, isn't it? Direct and inverse proportion. In the previous video, we had already done question number 1 to 6. Hope you people understood. Here we are going to have question number 7. One more thing, student. From your workbook, no question will come for your exam. एनुअल एग्ज़ाम के लिए वर्कबुक से क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे. ओके, सो डोंट वरी, only prepare your NCERT maths book. This book is only for the practice, okay, for the competitive exams and all. So questions will not come from this book, so don't worry about it. Now we are having question number 7. A mixture of cement and concrete is required for building a house. Their ratio should be 1:4. Okay, the ratio is being given over here, isn't it? What is the ratio is given? Ratio is given 1:4. That means number of cement bag will be 4 and the number of concrete bag will be 1. Like this, 1:4 we are having, isn't it? Now the ratio should be 1:4. The mixture of cement and concrete is required for building. The ratio is given as 1:4. For now, fill the table. Since the table is being given over here, that number of cement bag is 4, then the concrete bag we will have as 1 according to the ratio. Okay, now it is asked that if number of cement bag is 7, then what is the ratio? Number of cement bag is 12, then what is the ratio of number of concrete bag? Then if the number of cement bag is 10, then what is the ratio for the number of concrete bag? So as you know that the ratio is given as 1:4, so we will consider that number of cement bag is 4, then the ratio for the concrete bag will be 1, isn't it? So since here number of bag increases, so we will solve it as considering that number 4 will be x1 and 1 will be y1, 7 will be x2, and the ratio which we have to find, that number of concrete, will be considered as y2. Okay, like this we will put the formulas and we will solve. Clear to everyone? Moving toward the next question, we are having solve the following word problem. Show your steps. The scale is being given over here. The scale of a map is given as 1:, the number. Okay, then two capitals are 5 centimeters apart on the map. Since the map is blurred in the screen, you can see in your book also, the map is, the two capital cities which are apart from each other in the map is 5 centimeter away from each other. Okay, find the actual distance between them. So as we know that 1:2 and the number 2, isn't, we are having the ratio, and 2 capitals are in the ratio 5 centimeter, then the actual distance between the two capital we will consider as x. Solving that number, you will get the required answer, isn't it? And here it is asked that in the adjoining, second part, it is asked that in the adjoining map, find the distance between the two cities. So according to the map, here you can see that in your book it is very clearly given. Near the political, there a scale is being given. Okay, according to the scale, go inside the map and select the this two city and see the map. And when I saw, the map is like 1:25. Okay, so like that you have to see. Moving toward the next question, we are having here it is said that solve the following problem, show all your steps. If 60 men, how many men are there? 60 men can build. 60 men can build. How many men are there? Men is 60, isn't it? Can build houses 30 days. 30 houses in 9 months. Okay, month is given as 9. Then how many men are required to build 60 houses in 6 months? Okay, month is 9, when houses is 30, just to score double. So number of people is increasing over there, isn't it? So number of people will be increases, so it will be direct proportion. As the number of men is increases, that's why the number of houses will be increases, isn't it? So we will solve it according to the question. So I'm not going to show you the solution. You can solve with your own, as the chapter is already over from the NCERT book. Okay. Next question we are having here. This question I had given you as an for your activity also, the B part. Okay. Solution is already given in your activity assignment questions like that. So see that one. Now moving toward the question number 10. Here it is said that solve the following problem. What is said over here? Three people can build a fence in 7 hours. How long will it take 5 people to complete the job? Okay, सेम जॉब. दैट मीन्स ज़रूरी नहीं है ये क्वेश्चंस जो आपके बुक में है उस क्वेश्चंस को आप डायरेक्ट या इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन से बनाएं. इसे आप लीनियर इक्वेशन से भी बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में ज़रूरी तो नहीं है आपको बोला जाएगा कि सॉल्व बाय द डायरेक्ट इनवर्स, सॉल्व बाय द इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन, डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. ओके, यू कैन सॉल्व बाय अप्लाइंग द लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑल्सो. ओके, लेट द नंबर ऑफ पीपल बी एक्स, लाइक दैट. वैसे करके भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो इस क्वेश्चन को. क्लियर? सो हियर all the three part you have to see according to that. Now next we are having again a fill up. Leave that fill up, we are not going to do the fill up part. Some of the solutions of the fill up is being done by me. Here is the solutions is given, so just go through the solutions. Okay, and for today we have completed this chapter number 13, that is direct and inverse proportion. So as I told you beforehand also, no question will come from your workbook, isn't it? So study from your NCERT book. Clear? So for today, thank you everyone. Have a nice day and all the best for your exam. As you know that from chapter number 9 to chapter number 16 it will come in your exam. All the questions you have to study, each and everything. So thank you everyone.